right central. There's a bit of wheel spin. The old 698.
She's changing cogs up the box.
The 2-week drive doesn't seem to be affecting her.
No, she's losing a little bit. There'll be a wheel.
Oh. Down a shift, on the move.
Too greedy.
I know, fairness now, that's a sexy oil pull there now.
That's the poster child.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Time for another heart transplant.
Oh dear, I think that's the end of the line.
Man down.
All Johnny has to do is just stick her to the finish, nice and easy. I think he'll win that one.
Yeah. He can take all the barrels with him. She looks well with the front linkage on, isn't it?
Yeah, it does look well. He might have went faster with the 2 beacons on.
That's an extra 10 horsepower. 5 horsepower per beacon.
Commiserations go out to the man on the Massey. You can't win them all. You usually start by not buying a Massey. In my opinion, before anybody's waiting on me outside the gate.
I think Stephen might be trading up to that 1455 sooner than he thinks.